Sell fast, stress less. Are you a California homeowner looking to sell your property quickly and without hassle? Skip the traditional market and sell directly to Nanda Realty for a faster closing. We offer an all-cash buying service that allows you to avoid lengthy negotiations and uncertain timelines. With Nanda Realty, you can enjoy a smooth and efficient home selling experience tailored to your needs. At Nanda Realty, we buy homes in their current condition, meaning you don't have to worry about making any repairs or improvements before selling. Our team understands that preparing a home for sale can be stressful and time-consuming, which is why we make the process as easy as possible for you. By choosing to sell as is, you can save both time and money while avoiding the inconvenience of home renovations. One of the greatest advantages of partnering with Nanda Realty is that we charge no agent fees, allowing you to keep more of the proceeds from your home sale. Unlike traditional real estate transactions that often involve hefty commissions, our direct buying approach ensures a transparent and straightforward process. This means more money in your pocket and fewer complications along the way. When you decide to sell your home to Nanda Realty, you can expect a closing timeframe of just 10 days. This rapid turnaround is ideal for homeowners who are looking to relocate quickly or need immediate access to funds. Don't let the traditional market delay your plans. Contact Nanda Realty today by calling 61980 Nanda or visiting nandarealty.com to learn more about how we can help you achieve a fast and stress-free home sale.